So I'm going to show you how to install Gboard or the Google keyboard on your Samsung Galaxy A17 5G. If you find this video useful, don't forget to like and subscribe. So first thing you want to do is go to the Google Play Store and then hit the search button and just search for Gboard. From the results, you will see Gboard. That's the official Google keyboard by Google LLC. So make sure you're getting the correct app. Just tap on the install button and allow it to get installed on your phone. With the app installed, you can launch it. And then first of all, of course, you have to select Gboard in your language and input settings. So let's tap on enable in settings. And then here is where you change the default keyboard from Samsung keyboard and enable Gboard. Now, if you don't see Gboard, that's because it's not been turned on. So make sure Gboard is enabled first. Tap OK. And once Gboard is enabled, you can now make it the default keyboard by selecting default keyboard and then tapping on Gboard. And now Gboard or the Google keyboard is going to be your default keyboard. Okay. So now whenever you open the keyboard, it's going to open up the Google keyboard, as you can see. Thanks for watching and good luck.